I got so much hair, I don't know what to do with it.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody in between. I am back with somebody else's hair, and guess what? We're doing another Amazon wig review. Clink, 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 clink. Ooh, girl, my tea is hot. Hey, girl, how are y'all doing today? Hopefully you're doing well. We got another Amazon wig review. Quickly, before we get into this Amazon wig review, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all right now, yes, this brand, they basically have a shrine of my face all over their store. So we're hitting them up, we're chatting with them to be like, girl. But either way, I got this wig, I wanted to try it out. I saw it was blonde and I was like, you know what? I reviewed something similar to it. So I was like, I want to see what this one looks like. It's from Amazon. I want to see what it looks like. Got some nails I want to try out. This ain't got nothing to do with hair, but these nails, girl, I got some X-Coat Tips nails. I think these are the shorter ones. I got the shorter French nails, and I just bought some toenails from there. Girl, I can't wait to try them. Now let's go ahead and get into this hair. So the hair that I tried out, I was like, ooh, I want to do something blonde. We're in the Beyonce country era. I bought this a long time ago though, so I had an intuition, like we're here and we're here and we're here. This is the YIROO hair 12A highlight honey blonde kinky straight human hair wig. It says glueless too. Girl, I don't believe it's glueless. They try and put so many keywords in there. Girl, I see what you're doing. Honey blonde kinky straight human hair wig. 13x4 lace frontal. Color TL 412, 180% density. And I bought the one in 20 inches and I paid, did I pay $138? So I ended up paying with tax $141.99. Let's go ahead and check out this wig. This is what the wig looked like in the packaging. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the packaging. Girl, they just put it in a little sandwich bag for you. Okay. A little Ziploc. I don't smell nothing. Okay, so inside the bag, let's see what the gifts are. Wig cap, cute. Lashes. You can cornrow these. These are so big. What am I doing with that? An elastic band. That's what the wig looks like in the packaging. So it says transparent lace, so I already know I gotta tint this lace. Let's see. The way my hands move without nails, it just, I feel like I grab things like a koala or a gremlin. Okay, so this is what the hair is looking like. Wow, that's something. That's something. Let me tell you something. I'm so happy to see a regular 13x4 lace frontal because wow, we're getting slapped in the face with these glueless wigs. I know. When you look inside the cap, you get 3 combs, adjustable straps in the back, and a piano key elastic band with a little silicone right here so it doesn't pop off your head and slip around. Very simple. It looks pre-plucked. And the knots look to be about the same color as the hair, which makes it look like it's pre-bleached, but I don't think it's pre-bleached. I don't think these knots are pre-bleached. And the hair actually smells really good. Now for the base, I'm just gonna go ahead and do what I always do. What I'm expecting from this wig is softness, and I want to do the style that if they haven't taken it down by the time I put this video up, because they be stealing photos, I want to do that style. I want the, you know what I'm saying? I want country hair. I want southern hair. I want high hair, closer to Jesus hair. Go pull this back, yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead and take a wig cap and pop that on over top. And we got ourselves a base. A good one too, yeah. I ain't washed this wig, so we're gonna do a little disinfectant. This is alcohol. And I'm just gonna spray up in the lace because we ain't playing them games today. There you go. Yeah. Okay, now that this wig is alcoholed up, girl, and drunk, we can go ahead and pop this wig on and see what it looks like. Right out of the box or out of the bag, girl, because they didn't give us no box. They gave us a sandwich bag. Come on, hairline being thick. That is a lot of hair, but I feel like once we straighten it and style it, it's gonna be cute. I be feeling like the girls could have put a little elbow grease in it and just plucked it a little bit or put less hair up there. I'm gonna take my tweezers. I got these tweezers from my local beauty supply store. These are the Kiss, Red by Kiss tweezers, and I'm just gonna go in and pluck a little bit of hair out. Not too much, not too much. A little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna keep plucking. I'm gonna keep plucking on both sides, and then after this we're gonna go in with our lace tint because this lace, no ma'am. I like to use this lace tint from Amazon. This is the more crazy lace tint melting mousse in the color medium brown. If you haven't tried it, try it. When I tell you, I ain't lying to you. It says that it's waterproof and sweat resistant. I don't know if that's true. If you don't want to use like powder or makeup or something like that, it's really, really good. So once we get through plucking this, I'm gonna go ahead and run over to this mousse and see what she gonna do for me. Just popping in real quick before I tint this lace. Girl. Overzealous with the plucking. Let's tint the lace. I'll be back, girl. I'll be back. Okay, so the hairline looks a bit splotchy. She looks a little, you know what I'm saying, like an abstract art. Once we cut off the lace, I don't think you'd be able to tell. It's more splotchy towards the front, right? We need to go ahead and flatten the hairline. I'm gonna use my Ribeye Kiss hot comb and my She Is Bomb wax stick. Both of these you can get from Amazon. Shout out to Amazon for being that girl. Add the wax stick to the hairline so we can go ahead and flatten it. This hair got so hyped after blow drying it, girl. I'm gonna have to return her to her glory. Girl, I got a little bit of bald spot in the front. Cause I said, oh, don't pluck too much. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me because I always pluck too much. I love plucking. I love plucking. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the hairline and flatten it to make it look more like it's growing out of the scalp. I don't know if you've seen me do this before, but this is how I like to do it. Can we go in and flatten? Yeah. Oh, so once the hairline is flattened, we're gonna go ahead and cut this lace off, and I'll be back to apply the wig. Okay, so the hair is put up, the hairline has been flattened, the lace has been cut, and now we need to go ahead and see if we can attach this wig. I'm thinking I'm gonna use the boho liquid gold. Hopefully it dries fast, because sometimes a Miss Girl like to take her time to dry, and I don't have time for that. I'm gonna try and apply it over the lace and then brush it into the hairline. Because sometimes I get like, I put it under the lace and I be all over my forehead. So I'm just gonna apply it over and then tap it in. Yeah, I feel like I like this method better than going underneath, you know? And I really do like the boho liquid gold. Ooh, wow, that's a bit orange. Okay, to take away some of that orange color, I'm gonna see if I can go in with a towel and dab it out. Yeah, dab that on out so it's not so orange. But I feel like it's gonna look good. Right now it feels like it's gonna look good. That was just too much. I don't know what I was doing, girl, but that was not my skin tone. Where'd that brush go? So we're gonna do this all the way across the hairline, and next we get to cutting the hair and styling it, which is my favorite part. Okay, because y'all know I need to cut and layer. My hands are itching. Knots look a little dark. I don't like it. I need to get some nails because I don't know how to hold stuff without nails. I don't even know how that makes sense, but I don't. Because I don't. Okay, so we're gonna do this all the way across the hairline until we have a new hairline, girl. to get to cutting because y'all see how this hair looks? Like, look how it's kind of scraggly on the ends. Like, it don't even look like it's a full 20 inches. It's giving like a good 16 with a scraggle. But maybe it's because of the hair is a little bit hyped up too, but it's not giving 20 inches. So I'm just gonna take my Annie shears, cut the bottom, and I'm gonna layer the top like I always do. I'm not gonna run through the layering, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I do it. I take a section up here and then I pull it forward and cut it a few times, and then I do the same thing on the sides. But what I'm looking for is curtain bangs, layers, okay? That's what I want. I'm gonna cut this 3 times and do the same thing on the sides, and then I'll be back. I promise you, it's gonna be cute. I'm gonna point cut here. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, y'all, so I cut the hair. Now it's giving, looks a little rock and roll-ish, but we're gonna take it into the country in a minute. But first I need to go ahead and blow dry this hair because it looks choppy, and probably because it is. It's giving chopped salad, but we're gonna go ahead and smooth this on out, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and use my Revlon One Step to blow dry this and get the hair smoothed out so we can prep it for curling. But it's gonna turn out cute, y'all. Just patience is a virtue. Hopefully it doesn't look as choppy as it actually is. So let's go ahead and blow dry. Girl, I am hot from that blow dryer, but it's finally coming together, and look at that hairline. I was gonna do baby hairs, but I'm thinking about not, and just leaving it like this, which I feel like will be cute with no baby hairs, right? Next, we're gonna go in and straighten and curl this hair, baby, then we'll be done. Whoo, when I tell you, Kinky straight hair, gorgeous. Love her life. Takes a lot of work. Dedication. Because I wanted to hold a curl, I'm gonna go in with the T3 Smart Iron, and then I'm going to curl, and then I'm gonna curl with my cheese spinning curl, and then I'm gonna go in with my Vasari. I'm gonna go in and curl my bangs with that. We're gonna use these 3 to get that really, all 3 of these you can find on Amazon. I'll link them down below, but go ahead and check these out. Now let's go ahead and get into styling so we can get this finished Beyonce look. But right now I feel like it's cute. It's just giving like, yeah girl, I got so much hair, I don't know what to do with it. Let's go ahead and straighten it so we can get the finished look. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look with the hair. Now, the curls fell. I did my nails, did my makeup, but I did a full tutorial on this makeup on Reels or TikTok or both. I don't know, girl, but it's gonna be definitely on Reels. I love it. I love how they did the highlights. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I said, oh, these highlights are highlighting. And the roots, they have like the perfect roots. I love this hair. Can't even, girl, y'all stole my photo and y'all need to take it down. But this wig eats the coloring, and it's like darker at the bottom, but like it's got all the highlights at the top. The gradient is absolutely stunning. Now, the only thing about Kinky straight hair, and I've said this many times before, it does not hold a curl, but it's holding a wave right now, and I like the wave. The only challenge that I have with this hair was the hairline. Like, it needed a little bit of pluckation, and I'm happy I plucked it because I just didn't want it to be too thick. And now that it's not too thick, it looks like, girl, the lace even blended. I love the hair, especially for the price point. What did I say I paid for it? 130 something? What did I pay for it? Where's my phone? Yeah, so I paid $141.99. Oh, it was a little bit more expensive that time. So $142, I think this is worth it. But the wig cap, I feel like it's the perfect size because there's stretch to it, but at the same time, it's not squeezing my head, so it's not too small, but it kind of fits my head perfectly, so it may be on the smaller side. So if you're a big head girl, keep that in mind. Other than that, I need to kind of define my part too, because I don't feel like my part's sticking out the way it's supposed to. Hold on, let me define this part. I'm sorry, girl, I was closing out this video. The part looked like she ain't taking her job serious enough, so I need to go ahead and take my MAC NC50 and define this part real quick, just real quick, girl. While we on here, because I'm gonna have to. That's better. Okay, y'all, I need to see the part. Yeah. Finished look, I'm in love with it. Love the hair. I feel like it was a good purchase, girl. Shout out to me for sponsoring this video. Y'all tell me what you think about this hair down below. Since we're in the Cowboy Carter era, I feel like it is apropos to have a little blonde moment. Oh yeah, and the nails. Okay, so these are the nails. I don't know if you could see. These are the nails. These are the ones I showed you at the beginning. I have like two types of these. I have the longer length and the shorter length, but I wanted to be more utilitarian this weekend. I wanted to be able to use my hands, so I went shorter stiletto this weekend, or like almond, shorter almond. These don't last that long because they lift a little bit, but they're so cute. They're super duper cute. Love these nails, and I got matching toenails to go with it. So once those come in, baby, I wanted to chat with y'all, see what y'all thought. We got another Amazon baddie here. Loved her. What do you think about this hairstyle? What would you have done? Would you done curls? Would you just left it straight? Y'all let me know down below. Y'all let me know what you think about this hair down below. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. YIROO, take my pictures down, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Y'all, I am so unserious. I decided her